sensor mounted on the roof, a radar in the front of the car, and a sensor connected to one of the rear wheels that helps determine the position of the car on the map. It's also worth noting the devices for detecting flashing lights in emergency vehicles. At the end of May 2014, a completely autonomous car without a steering wheel or pedals was presented. To date, Waymo cars have exceeded more than 8 million kilometers during testing and on public roads. Among the disadvantages of these vehicles are the difficulties with parking, the recognition of urban waste, as well as the impossibility of moving under heavy rainfall and in snowy terrain. The company plans to complete the cars by 2020. KUKA Robotics. As a specialist in the field of robotics and automation technology, KUKA Robotics is one of the leading manufacturers of industrial robots. KUKA's wide range of robots includes devices of almost all load capacity types. KUKA industrial robots help to improve product quality, reduce material costs, and save energy. One of the unique capabilities of this company's robots is their interaction with the person as a partner and assistant. This allows these intelligent devices to be used economically in small and medium-sized businesses. It's also worth noting the novelty of the software and the exceptional precision in the movements of each robot, thanks to which they can carry out work even with small details. iLim Pulse. The Scottish company Touch Bionics is a leader in the development of high-tech prosthetics and was the first company to commercially produce bionic prosthetics for the upper limbs. Currently, more than 1,200 patients worldwide use iLim products. In addition to the existing model, another product has been developed, the iLim Pulse. According to the developers, it's a modification of the first model that allows for more movements, some of them very subtle, such as tying the shoelaces and fastening the strap. The iLim Pulse uses a unique patented pulsating technology when moving the toes of the prosthesis, which increases the ability to manage the prosthesis and increases the strength of adhesion to the object. When the fingers of the iLim grasp an object, the user is able to use the pulsation function that ensures control of the object. These high-frequency electronic pulses are very important in everyday life, as they enable precise and decisive movements. In this case, the aluminium casing and design features make the iLim Pulse a fairly robust prosthesis. It's worth noting that the device is capable of carrying a load of up to 90 kilograms. In addition, the iLim Pulse uses a Bluetooth interface, which allows the prosthesis technicians to select individual settings for each user. Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge. This incredible structure is part of the Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway. In addition, the Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge is considered the longest bridge in the world and is registered in the Guinness Book of Records. The length of the construction is 164.8 kilometers, but only 9 kilometers of the road is above water. At the same time, the largest pond across the viaduct is Lake Yangcheng. The Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge is located in eastern China, between the cities of Nanjing and Shanghai. The construction started in 2008, and despite the amount of work, the bridge was put into operation in 2011. More than 10,000 people participated in the construction. The most advanced technology was used, and the work was carried out simultaneously on both sides. To build the bridge, 2.5 million cubic meters of concrete and 500,000 tons of steel were spent. The final cost of the Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge, according to various estimates, ranges from $8 to $10.5 billion. Guys, it's time to recharge your brain. Visit the channel Brain Time. There you'll find a lot of interesting and useful facts, lots of positive energy and tons of useful information. Subscribe right now. We promise it's going to be really exciting.